Today we are going to show all of our stuffed animals. We're gonna go top to bottom. There's Mrs. Star and Pete, and there's the mermaid family, and there's Eddie. You know this name? Who is it? Snicky the Snake. Correct. And Snicky the Snake, and this is Mr. Dinosaur. Oh, Mrs. Dinosaur. Boop. And this is Captain America. Louie. This is Hello. And there's Bingo. Hello. And this is Donkey Kong. Wait, Donkey Kong's right here. Hello. Hello. Who took us to space? And here's Captain America. Captain America. And here's Flash. He went super fast. I'll be back. Okay. And this is Hulk Smash. Hiya! And this is Spider-Man. And this is No, you've got to know Batman. Whoosh. Woo. And there's Dogman. He's the good dog. He doesn't talk very well. And there's SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay. And there's Iron Man. And there's this is Lincoln, and this one is Landon. Let's go to the bottom now. We got Sonic. He can win and move. And we got Tails. That's the Tails. And we got Knuckles. The Kingdom. And we got Baby Sonic. Yay. And we got Mushroom from Mario. And then we got Mario and who's this? Schoolia. Yeah. Let's put back in the mushroom. And then we're gonna go over here. We got Big SpongeBob. Hello. And we got a football. Bing bong. And I can do coming. I can't land it. And here we got an excavator from Scoop. Excavator family. And we got Snow White. And we got a wrench. Fix. And we got a teddy bear. And who else do we got? Hey, Charmander. Heck yeah. And we got a pizzeria. And we got Boomer. And we got googly eyes. And we got a lion. We got Gerald the lion. And we got what's her name? Groovy. And we got Dinosaur. We have the name. We have a Hello Kitty and another Hello Kitty. And then we got Froggy. Hello. And then we got Brock. Then we got, I don't know its name, but this is Whiskers. I made it up. And then, oh, it's not the bouncy ball. And it goes into this one. Hello. And then we got Red with this cute little hat. Now we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go. There's Pikachu. Why did you say so long? There's Cat, Harley. There's Cracky the crocodile. Cat has fun. Cat. And we got a seahorse. Oh. And we got a penguin. His name is Penguin. And he's hot. And he can go in the microwave and heat up. And it's really warm. So put him back. Okay. And And we got poop again. And we got a cheerleader for the Pacers. And we got a cat, and we got a dog, and we got some more chips. And we got... Ah! Who's this again? Wasn't he... Landon? No. This is Landon! There's Landon, Lincoln, and Gerald, and... That's Lincoln! No, that's Lucas. Yeah, that's Lucas the lion. No, I didn't. That was Lucas the lion, but it's Gerald right now. That's Gerald and that's Lucas. It's not Lucas! Yes, it is. And you got Donkey Kong. You got Sky. Oh, we already said Donkey Kong. So, who cares? Who cares? You're on the world. And what? We got this guy. Where's Pete? No, we didn't. Oh yeah, you already introduced Pete. Oh, hello. Let me get my. We got some balloons. Here we